Hello everyone. Welcome to Daily English Practice. How to use to in conversation. Meaning of to. The word to has two main uses. 1. To mean also or in addition. 2. To mean excessively or more than needed. Conversation between two friends using to in simple sentences. Hi, Mia. How are you?
Hi, Alex. I am good. How are you?
I am fine too.
Did you go to the park yesterday?
Yes, I went to the park. Did you go too?
Yes, I went too.
The weather was nice.
Yes, but it was too windy.
That is true. My hat flew away too.
I saw a dog in the park.
I saw that dog too. It was so cute.
Yes, but it barked too much.
Did you eat ice cream at the park?
Yes, I did. I had chocolate ice cream.
I had chocolate ice cream too.
The ice cream was very sweet.
Yes, it was too sweet for me.
After the park, I went to the mall.
Oh, I went to the mall too.
Did you buy anything?
Yes, I bought a dress.
I bought a dress too.
My dress was too expensive.
Mine was too expensive too.
Did you see the new bookshop in the mall?
Yes, I saw it too. It is very nice.
But the books there are too costly.
I think so too.
I wanted to buy a storybook.
I wanted one too, but I didn't buy it.
Me too. Maybe next time.
Are you free this evening?
Yes, I am free too.
Let's go to the library.
That's a good idea. I want to read books too.
Okay, I will meet you at 5.
Great. I will come too.
Don't be too late.
Don't worry. I will come on time too.
See you later, Alex.
See you too, Mia. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the video for more interesting videos.